We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. Today's topic is Demat accounts. Demat account means very important topic from the banking perspective, also JAIIB perspective. Demat means what? I'll explain you that. Because we read everything about this shares, saving, current, FD, we follow that, but we don't know many a times Demat, right? So follow this video till the end. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, plus live classes, notes, question banks, ebooks, okay, tests, whatever you need for JAIIB, CAIIB, you'll be getting it over here. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. You'll be getting two things over here. First, the latest updates on JAIIB, CAIIB, and second, free YouTube series on various topics. So these are very important. Whatever is free, go grab it immediately, isn't it? Yeah. So this is a new batch. More on this later. Okay. This is a new batch just now started, January 23rd. All the 4 subjects are covered. 80% off is going on. Use the code Y432. More on this later. Okay. What is the Demat account and how it works? Here, Demat helps investors hold shares and securities in electronic form. So basically, whenever you are having the shares, you want to trade in shares. Whenever you want to hold the shares, okay, those are always held in Demat accounts. Remember, there are two types of separate accounts. Understand this very clearly. Demat will only hold the shares. Demat, okay, Demat will only hold the shares. I'll write it over here. Hold, okay, hold. But how to bring the shares into the Demat account? How to bring this into the Demat account? That comes through broking account. These two are separate. Never mix them. Okay, broking account is separate than Demat account. Okay, so broking account means I bring the shares into the Demat. Demat means I hold the shares over there. Remember, these two are separate. Again, I am telling you. Okay, yeah. So this kind of account is called as a dematerialized account, or we call it in short form Demat. Because dematerialization, such a big words. We are bankers, right? We don't have that much time, isn't it? Two busy persons, isn't it? Yeah. So, Demat accounts, okay? It helps the person to hold shares and securities in the electronic form. It's that simple, okay? It also helps to keep the proper track of all investments in individuals. An individual makes. Now, what all can the Demat account hold? Remember, not only shares, but other things. Shares, exchange traded funds, bonds, and mutual funds in one place. Means everything can be kept in one place. Okay. So, Demat account helps not only in shares, but it also helps in ETF, bonds, and mutual funds also. Okay. Got it, everyone? Clear? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood at least the concept of Demat account. Type yes in the comment section. Okay, type yes fast. Yeah, click on the bell icon. Everyone, click on the bell icon. Click on the like button. Yeah, is Demat account a bank account? What do you say? Is Demat account a bank account? The bank account which we sell, saving current, is it Demat the same? No, Demat is not like a bank account. See here, keep it simple. Demat can be opened by bank or any other NBFC. Private companies also have the Demat accounts, right? Any NBFC can have the Demat account, okay? Means any company actually. See here, it can be like SMC. SMC is having a separate Demat account, right? Then we have 5 Paisa. They are also having the Demat account, right? Many are there. You name it, you go on naming it. There are thousands of them, right? So that's why Demat account is not a bank account. It can be opened by anyone also. Okay, and anytime you make a sale or purchase, the number of shares either get debited or credited from your account. It's that simple. It's like the money saving account only. Suppose if I am having, let's say, 10 shares of Reliance with me, okay, 10 shares of Reliance, I sell, let's say, 2 shares out of this. So immediately what happens, like the normal saving account, 2 get debited and 8 remain in my Demat account, 8 remain, okay. And what about the money of this? Remain. So what about the money of this 2? Whenever I sell the 2 shares, let's say it is 2500, each share is trading at. So 25 into 2, 5000. So 5000 will be credited to my Demat account only. See here, in the Demat we have a separate section of funds. Okay, the funds 5000 will be credited to the fund section of the Demat account. Okay, holding. If you want to transfer this 5000 to your savings account, you can directly withdraw these funds and get it to your savings account. Okay, withdraw. But always remember, when you sell the shares, the amount is not directly transferred to your saving account. Okay, the amount is transferred to your this funds account, and then you have to get it transferred to your savings account. Okay, yeah. What is the minimum balance of Demat account? Like we have the minimum balance in savings account, right? Is there any minimum balance for Demat account? No. Note that Demat account does not require any minimum balance of shares or financial securities to be held in it. No minimum balance, does not require. Remember, there is no minimum balance of any shares in Demat. Also, you can hold more than one Demat account linked to a single PAN, however, not with the same DP. What do you mean by this? I can have more than one Demat account. I can have one Demat account in, let's say, HDFC Bank, second one in SBI, okay, third one in SBI, third one in ICICI Bank, anything I can have it. Okay, so more than one Demat. It's like the savings account, similar to that. I can have many savings accounts, right? Similarly, I can have many Demat accounts, but only the point is not with the same DP. With HDFC, I can't have two accounts with the same capacity. Means I can have with HDFC two accounts separately, one single, second joint. That is also allowed. Okay, but I can't have single account two times with HDFC Bank or with SBI. That's the basic rule. Okay, similar to that of the savings. Okay, yeah. Does Demat account charges monthly? Along with the opening Demat charge, you will have to pay an annual maintenance fee for your Demat account. So annual maintenance fee is charged. Okay, so this annual maintenance fee is nowadays common in all the accounts here. Even the savings accounts are being charged with the maintenance fees nowadays. With not only by the private bank, they are being charged by nationalized banks also. Okay, so everyone is charging them now, because everyone has understood nobody can run without money, isn't it? Simple. So the same thing is for Demat. You have to pay the annual maintenance fee in your Demat, right? Now about the batch, right? In this batch, we are covering all the four topics: PPB, IFS, AFM and RBWM. See, your timings are as per your bank timings, suited for your bank timings. Okay, so all the four subjects, also numericals, objective questions, theory questions, everything. Okay, everything is covered, and 80% off is there presently. See here, use this immediately because it's a Republic Day sale. Okay, so it's just now going on. It won't last long because Republic Day is gone, right? So it won't last long. So that's why grab it immediately. Use the code Y432. How to get it? I'll show you later. Okay, yeah. So what is the depository? Now we are continuing with the questions on the same. What is depository? You hear this word every time. Depository. See here, depository is an organization which holds securities like shares, debentures, bonds, government securities, mutual funds, etc. of the investors in the electronic form at the request of the investors through a registered depository participant. So remember, there are two parts. One is depository, and then we have a the member of that is called as DP, depository participant. Okay, main is depository, and then we have DP, depository participant. It also provides services related to transactions in securities. Okay, so which are, you'll say, then you'll ask me the question, what is this depository, sir, and what is this DP? Then I'll explain you. Not an issue. See this. Let me see. Yeah. How many depositories are registered with SEBI? So there are presently two depositories. One is NSDL and second is CDSL, right? So these are the depositories. So I'll just write it over here. Depositories, okay? Okay? And then this depository has many participants. Like one will be HDFC Bank, second will be ICICI, third will be SMC, all these. Okay, so this is like the manufacturer and this is like the retailer. Okay, this is the same logic, manufacturer versus retailer. Okay, so two are there, NSDL and CDSL, National Securities Depository Limited and Central Depository Services Limited. So that's the meaning of depository. Now you'll ask me, then what is DP? Just now I told you HDFC, SMC, these are all DP. But let's go to the definition part. A depository participant is an agent of the depository. Agent, okay, through which it interfaces with the investors and provides depository services. What did I say? It is basically manufacturer and retailer logic. Manufacturer prepares it and retailer sells it. So DPs are like the retailers. They sell the products of the depository of the main depository. Okay. So public financial institutions, scheduled commercial banks, foreign banks operating in India with the approval of RBI, state financial corporations, custodians, stock brokers, clearing corporations, clearing houses, all are DPs. Okay. So these are basically selling agents, right? We all sell the products. We as a banker, what do? We sell the products. What products do you sell? One is Demat you sell, then you sell insurance, you sell mutual fund. Second is saving current also. Saving current is also is a product of your bank, means of your head office, right? And we are acting as a retailer shops of the head office. Simple, isn't it? Yeah. So now DP. Now more about this, see this, before going to the ending part over here, see this. How is depository similar to the bank? So bank and depository. It holds funds in an account, bank holds this, and what does the depository do? Hold securities in an account. So as bank has a saving account, saving, right? Say SB, right? We write it, right? Saving. Similarly, depository has the Demat account, right? Transfer funds between accounts on the instructions of the account holder. So if I want to transfer funds from one saving to another saving, bank will do that. Similarly, transfer securities between accounts on the instruction of the BO account holder, right? Means on the instructions of the account holder, they transfer the shares from one Demat to another Demat. So it's similar to that of the bank, but it is not a bank. Remember, similar to that of the bank, but not a bank. Okay. Yeah. So now about the batch, okay, use the code Y432. How to use it? Let me show you live, okay. Go to Adda 24/7. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Let me go there. If you are having the app, I would suggest go for the app, okay. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra, okay. So go for the app, I would always suggest. Yeah. On Adda 24/7, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Once you click on JAIIB and CAIIB, you will see the JAIIB, CAIIB Mahapack, CAIIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Once you click on this, you will see the batches over here. Click on the first batch, English, okay. Once you have clicked on the batch, you go through the details. All the details are shown over here, okay. What are the details? Go through them. Say this. The timings, the dates, okay. Then what is the study plan? You can go through this at your ease. I'll give you the important ones. Recorded 24/7 videos are available, so you can get these videos also later if you miss out any class. It's a two-way interactive class, so you can clarify your doubts there and then itself. Okay. So let's talk about the fees. 19,999. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Now look at this. 19,999 reduces to 3,999. 80% discount you are getting, so go for it immediately, isn't it? Such a huge discount, you will never get it again. Very few times we get such discounts. Also, let me bring to you one Mahapack. What is Mahapack? Mahapack means in a single batch, in the single fees, you are getting multiple batches. Look at this. Click on JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack. Say this, JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack. Once you click on the JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack, click on, I would say, JAIIB, CAIIB combined Mahapack. Okay. Because what happens in 6 months, you will clear the JAIIB if you join the when you join the classes and study. Okay. So remaining 1.5 years, you can definitely use this same package. Okay. So same pack you can use it. Again, go through the details. All the details are there. 15 plus batches you are getting for JAIIB, 15 for CAIIB, 500 plus case studies, 30 plus full length mock tests, 15 plus full length mock test, means so many things, right? So you can go for this immediately. Let's come to the fees part again, because money is very important in life. Okay. 53,996. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Look at this. Again 53,996 reduces to 10,799. Again, that's validity is for 12 plus 12, 24 months here. This double validity pack is going on right now. It won't last for long, okay? So that's why go for this immediately. Why am I stressing on batches? Because see this, look at the new portion of JAIIB. Have you seen this? See this, the new portion of JAIIB is, one sec, yeah. See this, JAIIB new portion, this, all 4 compulsory subjects. Earlier you had 3, out of them legal was easy. But now 4 compulsory. PPB and accounting same as that, those were earlier, right? But portions have changed. Remember, names, subjects are same, but portion has changed. Okay, topics have changed in accounts also, PPB also, okay. And these 2 are the new subjects, 1 and 4, Indian economy and Indian financial system, and retail banking and wealth management, newly added. So definitely you'll be needing a mentor. Negative marking gone now. There is no negative marking, at least for this semester, this May 23 semester. But later we don't know. But that's why I would suggest here, these 4 compulsory subjects are there. Go for the batches immediately. Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye.